Good morning, azxpers. Today I am taking my motorcycle, my Ducati 1200R, into the dealer to get a new exhaust put on it. Because there's three things that I don't like about this motorcycle. And really, don't like might be strong. It's not that I don't like it, I just think it can be improved upon. And one is this headlight, two is the mirrors, and three is the exhaust. The exhaust sounds terrible. I think a Suzuki V-Twin sounds better than this. And I can't have that. Ducati's got to sound like a Ducati, so it's going in the shop today. The spoiler alert, the mirrors are going to get taken care of when it gets back from the dealer. I got some Rizomas. I'm going to do a video on that just because it took me a long time to decide on what mirrors I wanted. And there's already a lot of videos out there on them, but they didn't show really what it looked like. It just kind of showed how to install it and then they were done. They didn't really show what it looked like. So I probably won't do an install video because there's a ton out there. But I'll just do a quick preview of what it looks like when they're done. And I'm contemplating a new retro style headlight, but that's later. First we're going to take care of the exhaust. You want to kind of do a before and after? Alright, let's do it. Okay, here we go. We're going to fire this thing up. Well, I made it. Here I am at GoAZ, dropping off the Ducati. Okay, so the shop just gave me the old muffler. Here it is. It's really heavy. This is going to be huge weight savings. But the new one's on, they're not quite buttoned up yet, they're uploading the map, but should be pretty soon. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back from the dealer. Got the new exhaust on. Looking pretty sweet. What do you think? Before and after shot. Kind of like this right here. See if you can read that. Might have to edit that out if you can't read it. I can't tell if you can read it or not. It's fired up. Okay, you ready? This is the first time I'm starting it up. They wheeled it out to my truck. I loaded it up and I didn't even start it up, so let's give it a whirl.